If you want the Lightning Scorpion charm, all you have to do is head to the Erd Tree Grazing Hill here in the Altus Plateau. And then once you get here, we're going to go head up this way and make our way up to the Wyndham Catacombs. To our left here is going to be a Tibia Mariner boss. We're just going to run right by. We're going to open this door, head in here, and grab this Grace. Make a right. Be careful of the trap here. You can just go around it. Normally this will be up. Run through here. We're going to make a right around the corner here. There's going to be a knight who's pretty annoying. He's going to follow you up the ladder, so be careful. Also be careful of the trap right here. And then stick your stone sword key right here into this, and then right back here is the talisman we're looking for.